And just like that, our salmon is ready. Just wanted to show you a really quick salmon recipe you can make on your barbecue. Just go with any dry rub of your choice. And for my liquid, I use pure honey. You can use maple syrup. You can use any liquid of your choice. And this is ready in no time at all. It didn't even take 30 minutes. And as you can see, it didn't dry out because I put the foil on top of it, so it's still very moist, very flaky. Do you see the moisture in there? So as you can see, it's very moist, very flaky. That is what you want. You don't want to overcook it, or you don't want it to dry out and be very dry. So this is really, really yummy. So I hope you enjoyed this very short episode. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Until next time when I bring you another episode, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.